In this video, we will show you how to replace your driver's side engine splash shield on this Nissan Maxima. This will be located behind your driver's side front wheel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. Once you've completed that, we're going to remove all 5 of our 21mm lug nuts and we can get the wheel off of here. Now that we have the wheel out of the way, that exposes our engine splash shield. Let's start removing these 3 push clips that are holding these 2 panels together. To remove your push clips, you want to carefully start removing the center portion to unlock it, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. I'm using a trim tool. You can use pretty much anything as a small prying device. There we are. Just a quick inspection as we continue on. Replace these as necessary. Now we'll move up to the next one, same process. Now we're moving up to our next one right here. Now continuing on along the splash shield here, there's another push clip right in the center. We're going to save this for last. We'll continue on to the next 2. If you were to move just behind your front brake flex hose, you're going to find one of those 2. We'll pop that out of place. There's that one. Our next one's going to be all the way down at the bottom of this panel. Now on the bottom here, you can see where our push clip goes into our subframe. Let's go ahead and pop that out of place just as before. Now we can remove that final push clip and the shield. Let's get this final one right here. Remove your shield. There it is, friend. Now we can install our engine splash shield. We're going to get this in position. Once we have this in position, we can start installing our push clips. I'm going to start with the top center. Once you have the outer portion pressed in, press in the center to lock it in position. Let's continue on to the next. Let's make our way directly under this. Let's get this into its port. Lock it down. Let's just make sure that we have the engine shield on the proper side of the fender liner. That looks good. Now we can put in our push clips between the fender liner and our engine shield. And press those in. Double check, make sure everything's secured. One last quick inspection in this area, we can reinstall our wheel. Once you've started on all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts, we're going to bottom these out in a crisscross manner. We'll get the wheel back on the ground and torque each of the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. Now we've got the wheel safely back on the ground, let's go ahead and torque these in a crisscross manner. torqued. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing that you need to do is go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises coming from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.